Hey, what is going on, guys? So I am super excited. You probably just saw it behind me. Today, we are finally getting another exhaust for the old girl. Now, don't get me wrong, the XR1 I'm actually gonna keep as a just in case and or whatever, you know what I mean? And I have loved it so much. It pops, it just sounds so deep, it's amazing. However, I've heard this kind of muffler on my kind of truck and it sounds the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got here, and I'm just super excited. All right, in this box right here, so I already basically have an exhaust system, right? With the third cat delete, and then, you know, the 3-inch all the way back. So, okay, all righty. I hope my stickers are in there, you know what I mean? So we have the Borla ATAK crate muffler. So it's kind of the same as the XR1 where it's just a straight crate muffler. It's for racing. It's the same thing. This is just different, you know what I mean? Still single in, single out. I'm not doing anything out. I'm just changing the pitch and the tone of the truck. And holy crap, this thing, y'all, looks so sick. All right, let's take it out. All right, y'all. So right here, oh my goodness, look at this thing. Boy, Borla XR1. Look at that. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so cool underneath the truck. But I'm keeping it in this because I'm taking it to get the exhaust done here in the afternoon after work. I'm really excited. This is gonna be awesome. So let's go ahead and get our last cold start with the old Borla XR1 muffler, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I'm about to put this one on. By the way, here's the part number for it if you would like to get it yourself. All right, y'all, so we're heading right now to the exhaust shop. It's about 45 minutes from me, so it's a little bit of a drive, which isn't too bad. You know, it's not bad. We got it in the back, all ready to go. Y'all, I'm pretty stoked because hearing this thing with the way that the exhaust is right now, so if I just swap that muffler out with the same setup, man, it is like aggressive. Like that Borla ATAK, it's called that for a reason. It's no joke. So it's gonna take a little bit of time to break in, just like everything else, you know? It's cause like the Borla XR1, it broke in. Now like almost every downshift, it's like popping and it's great. So I'm holding on to that. But I'm telling you, this ATAK is gonna be something serious, y'all. So one more little dig. Road right now, so I'm gonna go slow. I just heard the startup. Yo, it definitely has a little more like of an aggressive like grasp a little bit, but it's not like a straight pipe grasp. So let's see here. All right, so immediately I'm not noticing 100% like tone change, just because I think, you know, it's obviously brand new, but there definitely is a different tone. Oh, it's already popping, dude. Or is window down? I can hear something. All right, here we go. A little straight roadage. Yo, holy crap. Hold on. We gotta talk about this. Hope that y'all can pick that up. Dude, that was like a scream. Holy crap. I'm so ready to hear this thing from third person. So like when I get my GoPro and do like a little like a pass. Oh my gosh. That was aggressive. Holy crap. You know, the best part about this thing right now is the fact that it still has a break-in period. So not only is it gonna sound like what it just did, but it's also gonna get better. So if we do a drone comparison, it's just about the same. We're cruising, you know, 55, almost 60, something like that. We're cruising, nothing really is happening. You can hear it, obviously, it's out there, but it's not obnoxious. I'm talking to you guys, I'm not yelling. Even if I had a passenger, I would be yelling, you know. When it got past that 3,000 mark, oh my gosh, it was like, all right, it's time to speak. So. quiet, and it's quite impressive for how quiet it is versus how absolutely aggressive it is on the outside. So if you do take long drives and you're on the highway for a while and you want something that's pretty quiet whenever you're just kind of cruising along versus when you want to get on it, it makes noise, this is definitely a personal go-to for me. We're gonna roll the backlight window down so you can really hear it as I get on it. Kind of hear it when it downshifts, it pops. And it's a beautiful thing thanks to the range technology for deleting that to 4-cylinder mode. You don't have to hear it anymore. Looks like we're clear. Oh my gosh, dude, the pop is what gets it, bro. Oh my gosh. I love it, dude. Holy crap, I love it. All right, guys, there's your comparisons for it. Hope the wind's not like wrecking you right now because it's a little windy out here. But oh my gosh, like, dude, this exhaust, like this. Let's get down here and look at it a little more. I just want to just look at it. You know what I mean? So we come down here, nice, beautiful Borla ATAK system. And like I said, all we did was we cut off the old one. And we actually, since they put it back here, I was like, hey man, if I ever want to swap again, I just want to like probably cut these and then clamp something in. So he went ahead and we pushed it up a little bit. But since it is the offset, as right here, so the offset side is your in and then the center is your out. So that's how you know. So he just stuck it like that. It's not gonna hit the drive shaft or anything, so you're good to go. But y'all, this thing is absolutely amazing. It makes the truck sound so freaking good. And if we come back here, and not that anybody can really see it or anything, but I think that's just the coolest thing ever. I know like some classic cars, since they have these towards the rear of the exhaust or the rear of the car, you can actually see this like poking out and you see the rest of the exhaust. So that's kind of cool. But yeah, that's all we did. Just cut it right there, put that pipe on there. It's all good to go. Looks fantastic. Since some of y'all weren't here for the first time I did one of these, we did a third cat delete, so that third cat is gone. And then it's a 3-inch all the way back here to this 3 in, 3 out Borla ATAK. And then it kind of goes over and it's a single out with the dual tip exhaust. So y'all can see it, y'all can hear it. It sounds absolutely amazing. I love every single bit of it. But yeah, you guys, that exhaust right there just like gave it a little extra like oomph on it, you know what I mean? I feel kind of bad in the morning whenever I'm like heading off to the gym at like 5 or something like that. I feel so bad for my neighbors because I do live in an apartment right now, so you know, we're all smushed up in there against the buildings. And then every single time I start this truck up, it is just like, whoa, like you saw in the cold start video, that thing just is so loud. It just, I mean, it's like, what? But as much as I did love the Borla XR1, which I actually still have, because it has like a nice little like a tune sound to it. It's like a nice deep rumble. Because like some Corsa exhaust are like really raspy and loud, and you can kind of get that from almost like a straight pipe. In my opinion. I don't want to trigger y'all Corsa guys if y'all looking for like a comparison video. But in my opinion, the third cat delete and the 3-inch all the way back to the Borla ATAK muffler, I mean, it's just icing on cake. And then we got the nice, cool, it's kind of funny that I just mentioned that. We have a Borla ATAK muffler and basically a Corsa tip. So I kind of mixed the two because, I mean, I like the sound of Borla and I love the way that this single in dual out tip looks. And I'm really sorry it's dirty. I haven't washed the truck in like probably a month or so because it has been raining way too much to be washing this thing. And you know what I mean, Southwest? You feel me? Yeah, they agree. I mean, y'all, just come listen to this right here. Oh my gosh, dude. Like, it just sounds so freaking deep and so just like, oh my goodness. It sounds absolutely freaking amazing. Holy crap, y'all. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I have been looking forward to this modification for a very long time. I've had that muffler box sitting up in the garage just for probably like a couple months, and I've just been so busy with life and everything, you know, but we finally got around to it. Listen, I have so much fun with this thing every day, and if I show you my like average like miles per gallon, it's like 14 and a half, because I can't stop hitting the gas. like I'll roll down a window, especially if I get like a place where there's like a wall or something. Oh my gosh, I'll roll the window down and just hit the gas. Oh, God, dude, it's so cool. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the comparison of a Borla XR1 and a Borla ATAK muffler with the third cat delete and a 3-inch exhaust all the way back. So right now, this is my favorite. We could explore later on down the road, try other brands, see what happens. But right now, I'm sticking with this Borla. So until I'm convinced otherwise, I'm gonna keep this one around. But hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. It is your choice, and we'll see you next time. Peace out, guys.